Okay, this is a question from the GCSE Mathematics Numeracy practice paper, Intermediate Tier Unit 1, so it's non-calculator. Okay, let's have a go at this question. A number of people were asked to choose which of the 4 brands of ice cream they liked the most. The brands were labelled A, B, C and D respectively. Dimitar has begun to show the results using a pie chart. So obviously at first glance we knew it was a pie chart, and he started to create it. So he's done the piece for A and he's done the piece for B. We can see the angle for A is 60 degrees and we can see the angle for B because we know that means 90 degrees. Let's have a look at the rest of the question. He knows that 10 people chose brand A. Okay, I'm going to add that to the diagram. I'm going to put an arrow there and say that is 10 people. I won't get any marks for that. It's just helping me look at that diagram and linking that information to that piece easier. The second bit of information is says 30 people choose brand C. Now, the reason they're telling me that is that I can work out the angle for brand C, because if 30 people choose brand C, that's 3 times the number of people who chose brand A, and I know the angle for brand A. So the angle for brand C is 3 times 60 degrees, which is of course 180 degrees. And that's nice, that's going to be easy to draw. What's the question? Calculate how many people choose brand D. Okay, well I'm going to draw the line on this pie chart to represent brand C. Now all I need to do is from this line here to go straight across. And you need to sketch, you could use a ruler in your exam, but you just need to sketch it to show that this is C. And there's your 180 degree angle. Okay? Now, what's left is going to be D. Well, now we can work out the angle that's for D, because I know the angle for B, A and C there. All of those angles should add to 360 degrees, because it's a full circle, so we can work out the angle for D. So if we add 90 degrees, 60 degrees and 180 degrees, we get 0, we get 15, and 8 is 23, and 1 and 2 is 3. So those 3 angles are up to 330. So D, if I scroll down here, D angle is 360 degrees, take away 330 degrees, which is obviously 30. Now, that is half the size of the angle for A, and I know that 10 people represent 60 degrees, so number of people choosing brand D is half of 10, which is 5 people, because the angle 30 degrees is half of 60, and we know that 60 degrees was 10 people. Okay, so there's the full solution. So just to recap, then we use the information that they gave us here and what we could see on the pie chart to work out the angle for brand C first. Then we could work out the angle for brand D, and then use that angle for brand D and comparing it to the angle for brand A. We knew it was 5 people, because that's 30 degrees in there. And obviously 30 is half of 60, so 5 people is D, because that's half of 10. Alright, thank you very much.